Good morning, Rich at Marvelous Ministries. Can you imagine Jesus coming back and walking down the street, looking for people that he would pick? And if you looked at our behavior, how we live before he shows up, compared to after people realize it's him, and the show begins. Oh, suddenly everybody be living differently, acting differently, talking differently. The performance would begin. But Jesus isn't looking for performance. He's looking deeper in. Inside of our hearts, for where his Spirit dwells. How many people actually have him living there? Only he can tell. I don't know. What will he see when he looks at me? Will he see enough of himself to say, "Come, follow me"? I don't know. I hope and pray that when he comes, my lamp will be full. My lamp will be trimmed. I'll be awake and alert, seeking his return. But most of all, I hope and pray my heart will be changed by him more than by this world.